Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about 9.8 graph of logarithmic functions. As you know, we learned already how to draw the graph, right? Today we are going to do the similar things mostly, but one more thing. So we are going to describe the end behaviors of the graph. So let's see this. So let's review one more time. When you draw the graph, what is the most important thing when you find? So let's see one example here. F of x is equal to log basis 2 x minus 3 plus 4. So what do you do? First, yes, we need to find out vertical asymptote, right? Vertical asymptote. How do you find the vertical asymptote? Yes, you set this argument inside the parentheses. The terms in the parentheses set this equal to 0. Then what do you get? X minus 3 equal to 0. You solve it. X equal to 3. Then you draw the vertical line and the first, draw this first. So 1, 2, 3 over here, you draw the vertical line, right? And what do? You put this into the calculator because we already know how to put into the calculator in the meta calculator or in your TI-84. So I will skip it. But when you put it into the calculator, look at the table and only see what kind of coordinates. Yes, only integers, whole numbers, not the decimals. Right? You can just ignore the decimals. Then you can plot all those points. Then, so you are going to be able to draw the graph like this. But what happened when you draw this part, you should be careful. After you touch here, and it goes down, 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 down. What happened? Never touch the vertical asymptote, right? It never touch the vertical asymptote. But so we will focus on how to describe the end behaviors. End behaviors, look at the shape of the graph. So when you describe the shape of graph in two things, x goes to two direction, x increase, x decrease to the left or right. But important thing is x goes to the right continuously, but does x go to the left continuously? No, right? Where does it stop? Oh, you cannot pass over this line. What is this? Oh, vertical asymptote, which is x equals 3, right? So x goes to the right side, x keep going to the positive infinity, but to the left, you cannot go further x equal to 3 line. So x can go up to 3, but keep close to the 3, but no more than 3, right? So how do you describe? So x keep going to the 3, goes close to the 3, that is the left side. But to the right side, x keep going, so x goes to the positive infinity. And then when x goes like this, we should know how y behaves, how y changes. So let's look at this. When x keep going to the right side, what happened to the y value? Going up, 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 up. Keep going up. If you keep going up, even though this graph like slope is very, low, so moderately changing, but if you keep moving, what happens? Y eventually go to the what? Very big number, which is infinity, right? So you write down y go to the, oh, here I was talking about this one, right? When x is go to the positive infinity, when x keep going, y goes up to the positive infinity. But when x keep going to the going down, down, x going down, down, x going down, 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 but it never goes to the three, never pass through the three, so it goes to the three, close to the three, right? Close to the three. Then what happened? Y values keep going down, 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 up to what? Keep going down, 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 up to the negative infinity. So we write down the end behavior like this. When x goes to the 3, y go to the negative infinity. So when x increase to the infinity, y keep going up, positive infinity. That's the end behavior. So we know how to draw the graph, and this way we explain and describe end behaviors. Everybody understand? Good. Then this is just explanation how with the word, but you can write down like this. So when x approaches to the 3, y goes down to negative infinity. And when x get bigger, like keep going to the positive infinity, y get bigger to the positive infinity. So this is the way, first, what should you do? You find the vertical asymptote and make sure when you draw the interval, y goes up by 1 always for the log function. X is the opposite of the exponential function, right? Exponential function, x goes up by 1. But in the log function, y goes up by 1. But x in the log, x, you can use a different scale because x will go to the very big numbers. So you can go by like 2, 4, 6 if you want to make a scale, but you should make it even, right? Or sometimes you can go up by like 10, 20, 30, something like that, depending on. But at least you should be able to show at least how many integers, 2 or 3 integers, so that you can show the shape of this log function. And then plot all the integer values only from the table and put the arrows. Here you should put the arrow and put the arrows on the both ends. Then you are done. And you know how to describe the end behaviors, right? Okay. So now, so if you go to the Google Classroom, you will be able to see the question for 9.8. Please respond to this Google Classroom discussion. So how will you find g of x by translating f of x 2 units to the left and 3 units down? So when f of x equal to log of 2x. So you know how to find a function by translation. So please, so go to the Google Classroom and then respond to this question. If you are done, you can continue to solve the problems. You will have about how many questions? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. And then you have an exit ticket here. So if you finish, take a pictures of them and then email them to me. All right. Okay, I'll stop here and